Good morning, students. Yes, today we will learn about Chapter 8 Perimeter, Area and Volume. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, we will explain perimeter. The perimeter is the sum of the length of all sides of a closed figure. Yes, students, you have take any closed figure like a square, rectangle, triangle, whatever you have, and if you add the length of all the sides of that closed figure, the result you have is the perimeter. Okay, the unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. If you take the unit of length in centimeter, then the unit of perimeter is also comes in centimeter. So अगर आप कोई भी लेंथ की यूनिट लेते हो, मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, वट एवर स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, तो जो आपका आंसर आएगा that is also come in same unit. Now firstly I will discuss about the perimeter of triangle. A triangle is made up of three line segments, so the perimeter of triangle is sum of all the three sides of triangle. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ट्रायंगल है वो थ्री लाइन सेगमेंट से बना है, मींस इट हैज थ्री साइड। तो बेटा पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल भी क्या होगा, अगर हम उन तीनों साइड्स का प्लस कर दें, सम कर दें, द आंसर वी हैव इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. Now you can check, you have the triangle. So the formula for perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB side plus BC side plus CA side. Let's check with an example. Find the perimeter of triangle having following sides. Now three sides are given to you: 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So now put the values in the formula. The perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of length of three sides, means 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the perimeter of a triangle. Now we have one more triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Let's check how the formula formed. Firstly, in an equilateral triangle, the length of three sides is equal. In this beta, in this triangle, equilateral triangle, all these three lengths same. Okay, they all have same length. Now AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, means they all have in same length. Now according to the formula, perimeter of an equilateral triangle, we add the sides like AB plus BC plus CA. Now AB as it is plus BC plus CA. In place of BC plus CA, I write AB plus AB because they all have same value ना, तो हम BC plus CA की place पे AB लिख सकते हैं. So AB side. Now you can check 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 times AB. And what is the AB we have? That is side. So the formula for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 3 multiply side. So beta, in this sum, the side has given to you. You have to just put in the formula. Okay. You multiply the given side by 3 and you will get the answer. Now, let's check one more thing we have, that is perimeter of rectangle by extra marks. As you can check, they have length and breadth. So the perimeter of rectangle ABCD is the sum of the four sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now you can check the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, like AB side is equal to DC side and BC side is equal to AD side. Now AB plus BC plus CD. Yes, beta, CD. That length is equal to AB side, AB length. So I write here AB plus DA. Yes, children, DA is equal to CB. तो हम यहाँ पर DA की place पे CB लिख सकते हैं. Now you can check here 2 times AB plus 2 times you have BC. Now 2 multiply. What is AB? AB you have is length plus 2 times BC. BC you have is breadth. So 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Take 2 as common and what you have left? Length plus breadth. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. This is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Now let's check by an example. Look at the mat. This is the shape of rectangle. Okay beta, how much less would be required to border it? हमने इसके चारों तरफ लैस लगानी है. This is the क्लोज फिगर. ओके, क्लोज फिगर है, आपको पता है. हम यहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे? लैस लगाएंगे. ओके, सो टू फाइंड द बॉर्डर वी हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर. Now the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. So the length of this mat is 10 centimeter and the breadth of this mat is 6 centimeter. Now put the values in the length and breadth. Then firstly is 2 multiply 10 plus 6. Firstly we add length plus breadth, that is 16. Now multiply 16 centimeter by 2 and we get 32 centimeters. So children, we need 32 centimeter less to require the border. यानी कि इसके चारों तरफ हमें लैस लगानी है. Then we have to need 32 centimeter less. Now one more example we have is, if the perimeter of the triangular field is 60 centimeter, find the breadth of the field if its length is 18 centimeter. Yes children, अब आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे जिसमें आपको पेरीमीटर गिवन होगा. या तो आपने लेंथ निकालनी होगी या आपने ब्रेथ निकालनी होगी, और लेंथ ब्रेथ में से भी वन थिंग आपको गिवन होगी. तो बेटे आपको इसमें देखो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल रेक्टेंगल फील्ड गिवन है, पेरीमीटर गिवन है, ब्रेथ आपने फाइंड करनी है, लेंथ इज आल्सो गिवन टू यू. नाउ लेट्स चेक बाय. Okay, so firstly the perimeter is equal to, you have is 60 centimeter here and length you have is 18 centimeter. Now breadth we have to find. Apply the formula perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter given है, perimeter का formula लगाओ. 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle कितना है बेटे आपके पास? 60 is equal to 2 into length you have is 18 centimeter plus breadth is as it is. 60 centimeter is equal to 2 times 18 centimeter and 2 times ब्रेथ. अगर बेटा आपके पास बाहर कोई चीज मल्टीप्लाई में है तो वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी आपके डिजिट होंगे तो वो दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगी. लाइक 2 आपकी लेंथ के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई में है, ठीक है ना, तो 2 की मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ के साथ भी होगी प्लस 2 की मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ के साथ भी होगी. Okay children, now 2 18s are 36 centimeter plus 2 multiply breadth as it is. Now 60 centimeter minus 36 centimeter. 36 now here is in right hand side. When it move to the left hand side, the sign will be changed. Positive से बेटा ये negative में चला गया. Okay. Now 60 centimeter minus 36 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter left, is equal to 2 time breadth. अब 2 देखो यहाँ multiply में है, राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएगी तो मल्टीप्लाई किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? डिवाइड में. नाउ अब आप इसको कट करो एंड यू विल गेट द ब्रेथ इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. सो इन दिस वे बेटा आप लेंथ भी निकाल सकते हो, ब्रेथ भी निकाल सकते हो अगर आपको पेरीमीटर गिवन है. नाउ वी हैव द नेक्स्ट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर. This is the shape of square who have 4 sided and all side have same length. So beta side 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 side. So the perimeter of square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. According to the formula we have to plus all the sides now. So how many times we have side? We have 4 times side. So the formula for the perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. Let's check. You have an example. Firstly, yes student, find the perimeter of this tabletop. Its side is 30 centimeter. One side is given to you. Okay, you have to find the perimeter. Now what we do, the tabletop is in square in shape. Side you have is 30 centimeter. Now put the formula. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. 4 is as it is, multiply side you have 30 centimeter given. So now 30 multiply 4, then you will get 120 centimeter. So in this way you can find the perimeter of square. Next you have the perimeter of the square carpet is 200 meter. Now again beta perimeter आपको given है. What is the length of one side? तो आपने इसकी साइड निकालनी है, वन साइड. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड? लेट्स चेक. So the perimeter of the square you have is 4 multiply side. This is the formula beta. Now put the value of perimeter 200 centimeter here ना, and this 4 multiply में है यहाँ पे, और नीचे आके क्या हो जाएगा, ये डिवाइड में हो जाएगा. इक्वल से जब इधर आएगा मीन्स कि आपने गिवन पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर को 4 से डिवाइड करना है, एंड द लेफ्ट आंसर यू हैव इज योर साइड. So in this way you can find the side of the square if the perimeter has given to you. I hope you all understand. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.